hamburger soup, perfect for a cold winter day like today, and I'm going to show you how I make mine. I start by putting these different bouillon mixtures into my 3 cups of water. I only put about a teaspoon of each one in, and I give it a stir. Then I add in this previously frozen ground beef. That's why it looks that color, but you'll see in a minute that it's perfectly fine. I want this soup to be kind of chunky, so I'm just pulling chunks off and dropping it into the pot. I'm going to drain this fat, and then back into that same pot will go my mixture of bouillon, and I'm going to add a can of beef broth, a bay leaf with my veggies, my garlic, 3 garlic cloves, some matchstick, carrots that were left over, and 3 cups of water additionally. And I'm going to season my beef with some onion powder, black pepper, granulated garlic, and a little bit of cayenne. You don't have to put the cayenne, but we like spice, so you do what you want with your soup. I'm going to add in my tomato sauce and my diced tomatoes and my potatoes. I only let them go into the potatoes, they're kind of tender, and then I add in my peas and carrots and my beef. And I had this ground beef left over for when I made spaghetti. It was in the freezer. I add that in there to give it a stir. I'm going to only add a half a can of corn. You can add the whole if you want to. I'm tasting it, and I see that I need a little sugar. I needed some more tomato sauce. Gave that a stir. I realized that I need a little seasoning, so I added some Slap Your Mama. And then I'm going to add in my parsley, let it simmer for 10 minutes, and then serve it up in a bowl and see what hubby thinks about this hamburger soup.